Hi everyone, I am hoping that you all are doing fine. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the details related with December 19 campus placement, how many candidate applied, and finally how many candidate got placed in campus placement, what kind of packages, how many organizations come in campus placement. In this video, we'll discuss about each and everything. One of our CMA senior CMA member has get it through RTI. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Yet institute is not uploaded on the website, but one of our senior member get it through RTI. So guys, first question: total number of students registered in campus placement at the available data approximate 857 candidate. 857 candidate pay 4,000 fees as a campus placement and participated in campus placement. How many companies total guys at December 19 campus placement? 19 companies come, 4 PSUs and 15 private organizations, or you can say that big giant companies of India. Later we'll see all the entities. Total number of job offered, 150 job offered, and finally 137 candidate, you can say that, received the finally job offered 150. 13 due to some they will get in off campus some good opportunities, so they not accept the job. We also can say that means the institute the you can say organization uh, do not give the finally the offer. So finally 137 get placed in campus placement. Okay, minimum salary offered. He asked the again questions. Minimum salary offer. Institute says package not disclosed. Average salary offered, package not disclosed. Maximum salary offered, PSU and private, package not disclosed. So it is not possible that the mostly all the organization who are participating in campus placement surely disclose their package. Okay, so institute is not managing maintaining the data. It is my humble request to institute, please maintain the data so that we will get the glimpse. Those who are seeing their future with this information, at least they can see their future now related with campus placement. So it is my humble request, institute need to maintain all this data. Okay, although we always support our institute, but we also need to concern these issues to institute. These are the necessary things. Every CMA student need such kind of information. What kind of package organizations offering, minimum, maximum on an average basis. Low. Let's see the companies. PSUs, Macon Limited, NMDC Limited, Rashtriya Ispat, Rural Electrification Corporation Limited. 4 PSUs and 6 big giant companies of India. So now 15 companies: Philips India Limited, Bajaj Auto Limited, Sitco Limited, Conserve Global, DuPont, Asaf Bank, TaxConnect, ITC Food, Philips India Limited, Randstad India, Sandler Electric, Tata Motors, Refreshing Limited, Vedanta, and Wipro. These 15 and 4 PSUs. Next questions. How many firm participated in campus placement and their salary packages? So none of the CMA firm participated. Okay, so this is also a lag point. This is also lag point. CMA firm also participate at least 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh. They need to offer, but at least they need to participate. Those who want to grow their career, and those who after 2 or 3 year job want to start their own practice firm. So at least in CMA firm they can start with a good package. So it is my humble request, all CM at least some CMA firm need to participate in campus placement. So no CMA firm participated in campus placement for December 19 batch. Percentage of selection not available. Institute is not maintaining the data. Percentage of selection, from this we can easily calculate the percentage of selection. 857 candidate selected. Okay, 857 applied for campus placement and 137 selected. So we can say that 16 percentage. 137 divided by 857 into 100. 16 is the percentage. We also can say that 20%. Reason is that institute also after off campus, some candidate also got opportunities in off campus. Okay, so just around 20% we can say that. But the main concern over here is that institute at least need to maintain the data. Okay, institute need to maintain the transparency. Those who want to take admission in CMA Foundation, they spend their life 4 important years of their life. At least they have a right to know about all the details related with campus after clearing the CMA fund. What kind of opportunities they will avail, what kind of minimum, maximum, average packages companies are offering. So these kind of basic things which institute can itself manage. Okay, mostly organization disclose all kind of packages, all kind of job descriptions, JD, each and everything they disclose. So this is all about December 19 campus placement. Okay. Still you have any doubt or any questions, you can ask me and surely help you. Apart from this, whenever I'll get the information related with December 20 campus placement, I'll surely try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Bye guys.